Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to set Snapchat's new Friends Suggestions notifications to silent mode using the latest update. If you've been getting constant alerts about Friends Suggestions and want to keep your notifications calm without turning them off completely, you're in the right place. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your device. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down to find the option labeled Apps, or sometimes Apps and Notifications depending on your phone model. Tap on that, and then look for Snapchat in your list of installed apps. Once you find Snapchat, tap on it to access the app-specific settings. Now, look for the Notifications section and tap on it. This is where you'll see all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send you. Here's an important step. Tap on Notification Categories or Notification Settings. This will break down notifications into smaller groups, so you can customize exactly what kinds of alerts you want to receive. Under this list, find the category called Friends. Inside this, you'll see a specific option for New Friends Suggestions. This is the notification that alerts you when Snapchat recommends new people to add. Tap on New Friends Suggestions. You'll be presented with different notification settings. Choose Silent. By selecting Silent Mode, your phone will receive these notifications without making any noise or vibrating, so you can check them whenever you want without distractions. And that's it. Your Snapchat New Friend Suggestion notifications are now in silent mode, helping you stay focused while still keeping those suggestions within easy reach when you're ready to see them. Remember, these steps might vary slightly depending on your phone's operating system or version, but the general process will be the same. Now you can enjoy a quieter Snapchat experience without missing out on new friend ideas. Thanks for watching.